Shop Lux Curve. I'll have everything in the description box below. Hey guys, it's Curly Tosh. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you join the family. Make sure y'all like this video, okay? Whenever you like the video, people can see the video. You share the video, so make sure you give this video a thumbs up for your girl. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And yeah, so with that being said, today's video I'm super excited about because it's funny how things happen right when you need them to happen. I posted that video of me trying on my waist trainer for the first time, and now here I am working with a company, and I'm just so blessed, honestly, because Tatiana, she is so sweet. She was very helpful with the whole process that was going on in exchange email. I'm excited for this journey, and yeah, and I'm excited to show you guys what I am about to be working with. Okay, so let's just go ahead and open this package, you guys. Let me turn it around. But the packaging already super cute. It says hashtag LUXXDOLL at the bottom. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and open this and let's try this stuff on. So first impressions video, that's what this is. Thank you for your order. I'm so happy you received your trainer and now you're a LUXXDOLL. Period. Right off the bat, this is what it looks like. Look 2 sizes smaller, supports lower back and corrects posture. Okay, so this is really cute. It comes with this bag. It says LUXXDOLL, gratitude, give back, smart, beautiful, femininity, confidence, you know, just girl power, you know what I'm saying? So love that. That's just a bag you can put it in. And I'm just gonna open this. And it comes in this wrapping. Really cute. It's Galaxy. Oh my gosh, they said that. That is so cute. Look at this. So cute. Love that. And it feels good. Oh my goodness. And I like how it says Lux Curves on the inside of it. It's really cute. Let me try this. I'm pretty sure this is the size medium. I got a size medium. How to apply or how to put on a waist trainer, I'm about to show you guys. So let's scoot down, okay? Scoot down. Like, you gotta be able to see. Come on. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to wrap this around my back. Oh, also, the reason why I have my leggings that go all the way up, it might look ridiculous. They did say that it's better to have something like a long tank top, and if you just tuck it into your shorts or your pants or whatever you're wearing, that would be great. But these are my like leggings that are high-waisted, so it's perfect because I just pull them up and I have any shirt I wear I can just tuck it under, you know what I'm saying? So now we're going to try to do this. So let's go. So this is what the waist trainer looks like. So far it feels really good. It's actually super comfortable, honestly. Like, and if I sit down, like, it's not gonna affect me, you know what I'm saying? Like right here where it makes my hip, it's not gonna like hurt me. The measurements are very important. If you do not get the right measurements, you will not get the right size waist trainer, and you will be mad because you didn't measure yourself at all or you didn't measure yourself correct. But yeah guys, so the reason why it is so important to get your right measurements is because you want to measure along here, and you want to measure along your bra, where your bra strap or the bottom of your bra is, down to your hip bone, and that will decide what size you are. So make sure you get your right measurements, and whenever you send them in, they are really great about making sure they get the right size to you, because that's so important, you guys. shop Lux Curve. I'll have everything in the description box below. Also use my code XOTOSH. I'll have the code on the screen, and make sure y'all get that snatch body y'all want for the summertime, okay? And yeah, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys share this video, like this video. That's the only way these videos gets pushed out. And yeah, make sure y'all subscribe on the road to 3,000 subscribers. And yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.